Insomnia is a silent assassin, creeping into our lives and stealing our most precious resource, sleep. It's estimated that over 30% of the general population suffers from insomnia, and yet it remains one of the most misunderstood and stigmatized conditions out there. When we think of insomnia, we often think of someone who's lazy or just can't get their life together. But the truth is, insomnia can affect anyone, regardless of their lifestyle or personality. We've all been there, lying awake at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling, wondering why we can't just fall asleep. But what if I told you that there's more to insomnia than just lying awake at night? What if I told you that there are dark secrets lurking beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered? One of the biggest misconceptions about insomnia is that it's all in our heads. We're told to just relax, take some deep breaths, and magically we'll be asleep in no time. But the reality is, insomnia is a complex condition that's influenced by a multitude of factors, including our genetics, environment, and lifestyle choices. Another misconception is that only certain types of people get insomnia, like those who are stressed or anxious. But the truth is, anyone can develop insomnia, regardless of their personality or profession. We've also been led to believe that insomnia is just a minor nuisance, something that we can just power through and get on with our day. But the reality is, chronic insomnia can have serious consequences on our physical and mental health, from impaired cognitive function to increased risk of heart disease and diabetes. And yet, despite the severity of the condition, we're often left feeling ashamed or embarrassed about our inability to sleep. One of the most insidious myths about insomnia is that it's just about not getting enough sleep. But the truth is, insomnia is often a symptom of a deeper issue, like an underlying sleep disorder, medication side effects, or even an undiagnosed medical condition. It's not just about getting more sleep, it's about addressing the root cause of our insomnia. So what are some of the lesser-known factors that contribute to insomnia? For one, our diet plays a huge role. Consuming heavy meals, sugary snacks, and caffeinated drinks before bedtime can wreak havoc on our sleep patterns. And it's not just what we eat, but when we eat it, having an irregular meal schedule can disrupt our body's internal clock and make it harder to fall asleep. Another factor is technology usage. The blue light emitted from our screens can suppress melatonin production, making it harder for us to wind down at night. Stress is another major contributor to insomnia, and it's not just about feeling stressed or anxious. Our bodies have a natural response to stress, which can make it harder for us to fall asleep. And it's not just about the stress itself, but how we cope with it. Relying on substances like alcohol or nicotine can actually worsen insomnia in the long run. So what's the surprising truth about insomnia that can change how we approach our sleep issues? Well, research has shown that our sleep patterns are highly influenced by our gut health. Yep, you heard that right. Our gut microbiome plays a crucial role in regulating our sleep-wake cycles. This means that by addressing our gut health, we can actually improve our sleep quality and reduce our risk of insomnia. So what can we do about it? By taking a holistic approach to our sleep health, we can start to uncover the underlying causes of our insomnia and take back control of our sleep. This means addressing our diet, technology usage, stress levels, and gut health, rather than just relying on quick fixes or band-aids. It's not easy, but it's worth it, because when we start to prioritize our sleep, we start to prioritize our overall well-being. In conclusion, insomnia is more than just lying awake at night. It's a complex condition with many hidden factors at play. By shining a light on these dark secrets, we can start to take back control of our sleep and our lives. Thanks for watching, and if you've struggled with insomnia, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What's been your experience like, and what strategies have worked for you? And don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on improving your sleep quality.